Hi, I'm Rashmi. I've been with Accenture for 13 plus years and I've been a lead technology architect and a delivery manager at Accenture. Today I'm representing you the batch monitoring tool. Before I tell you about batch monitoring tool, let me speak about what batch jobs are. Batch jobs are critical applications which process bulk data, and these batch jobs would be configured on a time, on an interval, on a duration, and this has to run on an estimated time. If they fail running on the estimated time, then there will be a revenue impact on the company and on the clients. So considering this, let me tell you about batch monitoring tool. This batch monitoring tool has been introduced to monitor the batch jobs automatically. So this monitoring tool is UI based and also a client server based, and you will have the agents sitting at all the servers where the batch jobs are running, and these agents pulls out the data and places the data into the database, and UI pulls the data from the database and displays on the GUI. So when it displays on the GUI, the status would be converted into three. One is red, which means the batch job has not been run successfully, and a mail would be triggered immediately to the stakeholders and to the group saying that the batch job has been failed, please action on it. And the other one is green, which means the batch job has run successfully, and the third one is amber, which means that you have configured 5 rules, out of which 4 passing 4 is okay for the batch job to conclude as green, then it goes on amber. So how this batch monitoring tool is different than the tools which are available in market? Yes, this batch monitoring tool has a features of monitoring the long running batch jobs. For example, if the batch job is running for 5 hours and instead of waiting for the 5th hour to conclude, it can have an interval of monitoring for every 10 minutes and 15 minutes and say what the batch job status is. If it intermittently, if it has failed, you can stop the batch job and action on fixing the batch job. So it will save the time there. And second thing is the batch jobs, after the run, they may insert the data into the table, or the size may be increased, or file it may input. So all this can be monitoring, like a table size, table query you can do, and you can even search the file, and you can check the file modified date, and anything can be done using batch monitoring tool. And the third important thing is we can add any script, Python script, Unix script, shell script, and make the conclusion of the batch job run using this monitoring tool. And the fourth thing is it is a zero cost oriented. It can be implemented anywhere, everywhere without any cost. And the fifth important thing is it is a platform independent and operating system independent. So with this, I want to conclude on BMT and give more details later. And the outcome of it is we have implemented this in more than 5 projects in Accenture, and it has created a lot of good revenue gain for Accenture, and we are implementing in next 2 projects as well as the next step. Thank you so much.